Success isn't about avoiding failure, it's about mastering the art of adaptation. At Chami Ventura Energy Consultant, we understand that the path to success is paved with challenges and obstacles. But it's how we navigate these hurdles that sets us apart. We don't shy away from difficulties, instead, we embrace them as opportunities to innovate and grow. I don't just follow the market, I redefine it. This philosophy drives every decision we make and every strategy we implement. By staying ahead of industry trends and continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible, we ensure that our clients are always at the forefront of innovation. Chami Ventura Energy Consultant stands tall in the solar and power quality industry, leveraging our integrated supply chain model to break through the barriers of outdated business models, inefficiencies, and unnecessary costs. Our approach is not just about providing solutions, it's about creating value and driving progress in a sustainable manner. Consider this: while others accept limitations, we innovate. Our team of experts is constantly exploring new technologies and methodologies to enhance our offerings. We believe that there is always a better way, and we are committed to finding it. Picture a futuristic command center where experts analyze real-time data on global supply chains, solar energy trends, and power quality issues. This state-of-the-art facility allows us to make informed decisions quickly and efficiently, ensuring that we can respond to any challenge with agility and precision. Behind the scenes, factories in Asia work in perfect harmony, assembling integrated solar solutions under our integration coefficient IC business model. This model not only streamlines production but also ensures the highest quality standards are met at every stage of the process. Our approach eliminates unnecessary barriers, providing a direct bridge between the world's top manufacturers and you. By optimizing our logistics and supply chain processes, we can deliver our products more efficiently and cost-effectively, giving you a competitive edge in the market. This means cost reductions, optimized logistics, and maximized ROI for our clients. Our commitment to efficiency and excellence translates into tangible benefits for your business, helping you achieve your goals faster and more effectively. Imagine this: a family installs a solar kit at home using our intuitive plug-and-play system. This user-friendly approach makes it easy for anyone to harness the power of solar energy, reducing their carbon footprint and saving on energy costs. A contractor efficiently implements large-scale solar solutions with factory-backed guarantees. Our comprehensive support ensures that every project is completed to the highest standards, providing peace of mind and long-term reliability. Our modular, scalable, and budget-friendly solutions evolve with you, seamlessly integrating into your life and business, step by step. Whether you're a homeowner or a large corporation, our solutions are designed to grow with your needs, providing flexibility and adaptability. As Bruce Lee said, "I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times." This quote embodies our approach to mastery and excellence. We focus on perfecting our craft, ensuring that every solution we provide is of the highest quality. Chami Ventura Energy Consultant embodies this precision and dedication. Our team is committed to delivering exceptional results no matter the challenge. We take pride in our work and strive for excellence in everything we do. We don't just talk about resilience, we live it. Our journey is a testament to our ability to overcome obstacles and achieve success. We celebrate every milestone as a reflection of our hard work and determination. Join us in redefining the future of solar and power quality. Together, we can create a more sustainable and efficient world, powered by innovative solutions and a commitment to excellence. Be part of the change. Contact us today at www.jvenergyconsultant.com. Let's work together to build a brighter future. Remember, success isn't about avoiding failure, it's about mastering resilience and innovation. It's about pushing boundaries and continuously striving for improvement. With Chami Ventura Energy Consultant, you're not just choosing a product, you're choosing a partner committed to your success. We are here to support you every step of the way, ensuring that you achieve your goals and reach new heights.